The choice of the light source is the focus of Luminous Signage Products. What's up, homie? I'm Tony from LC Sign. Look at these LED light strips I have right here. Extra long light strips are available in different sizes and colors. One build and one light. You can freely cut it according to your needs. The light strips has its own tape on the back so that it's easy for installation. Low voltage design is safe to use. We also offer a 2 years warranty to make your purchase a smooth one. With Rose CE FCC certification with both integrated and split type available so that you can put them anywhere you want. They're perfect for making neon signs, LED letters. They're also really energy efficient, so they'll save your money on your electricity bill. With 100,000 meters of daily capacity, single color come with 15 standard options. We also have full color and RGB color light strips available. Low voltage, 12 volt power supply, high safety. Contact us by clicking the link in our bio and follow LC Sign.